I was actually so scared that I thought I lost it, but luckily मैंने देख लिया किधर है, so I'll bring it down because I had a few warnings on that. By the way, just to clarify, this is not going to be in-depth or a very tech review. It's just going to be a vlog come review, to be honest. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I came to one of this place. Basically what it is that I've got a new drone recently, which was Mavic Air 2. I'm going to do a comparison video. For example, आपने कुछ लेना हो drone इन दिनों में, so ये video आपके लिए. ओ देखना हो कि कौन सा drone अच्छा है, future में कौन सा लेना चाहिए, so this video is for you. So stick around. At the end, I will give you my opinion. Is it worth upgrading? Is it worth putting the extra money in, or you should just stick to your Mavic Air 1? So the plan is, just for one shot, I'm gonna put my drone through this. मैं इतना expert नहीं हूँ drone उड़ाने में वैसे, लेकिन मैं क्या करूँगा कि यहाँ से drone को सीधा ले जाऊँगा, 2 शॉट दोनों drone के एक शॉट यहाँ से लूँगा, and then I'm gonna put it up as well. तो उसमें देखते हैं क्या बनता है. So देखते हैं कैसी वीडियो बनती है. वैसे मौसम बड़ा अच्छा है यहाँ पे, autumn, so the best time to do photo. I mean for me, मुझे लगता है कि autumn में बहुत अच्छे फ़ोटो बनते हैं, लेकिन मेरा कैमरा है नहीं, कैमरा बेच दिया है. Now my phone logger. So yeah, let's see with the drone what we can do. It's going to be a bit windy, तो ऑडियो इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी क्योंकि मैं अपना माइक घर ही भूल आया हूँ. तो जो भी है अब यही है. यहाँ पे कुछ बंदे भी होंगे, आगे पीछे आ रहे होंगे, तो हमें ख्याल करना है कि उनको तंग ना किया जाए. नॉर्मली हम तंग नहीं करते. ये वाला जो है ना, ये फ्लाई मोड कम्बो है. फ्लाई मोड कम्बो का मतलब इसके साथ ये केस आता है, बैग आता है, उसके बाद वो तारे वारे और जो भी एक्स्ट्रा कुछ चीज़ें आती हैं. कि आपका मेमोरी कार्ड जो है ना आपके ड्रोन में होना चाहिए, ये फर्स्ट थिंग है. रिसेंटली वॉज मैंने आपने कि जब मैं बाहर आता था तो पता लगता था कि बैटरी चार्ज नहीं है, तो मैंने मेक श्योर किया कि रात को सारे ड्रोन की सारी बैटरी चार्ज हों. एंड अगेन वन मोर थिंग, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट लोगों की प्राइवेसी आप डिस्टर्ब ना करें जब ट्राई करें. आपको these ND filters on it, you can see it. So these ND filters right now I don't really need it. ये नॉर्मली होता है कि जब बहुत धूप हो ताकि धूप ज़्यादा उसके कैमरा के सेंसर में ना जाए, ये इसलिए ND filter होता है. लेकिन आज मुझे उतारने की याद नहीं रही, उसका ओरिजिनल जो केस है वो नहीं. So I'm gonna keep you on, take a few shots see how it is. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो उतार दूँगा. आपको DJI की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी पड़ती है, DJI Go 4. So you go on it. So the plan is, इस ड्रोन को इतनी हाइट पे लाऊंगा मैं और ये सीधा लेके जाऊंगा आगे, so that it doesn't hit no trees, no branches, right? Yeah. बार आता हूँ कुछ शूट करने के लिए, कुछ ना कुछ मैं भूल जाता हूँ. इस दफ़ा मैं वैसे फुल तैयारी के साथ आया था, बैटरी चार्ज की सब कुछ किया, बट देन आई स्टिल फॉरगॉट वन थिंग, दिस रिमोट कंट्रोलर कनेक्टर. बेसिकली आई गॉट दिस वन. ये जो है ना ये एंड्रॉयड के फ़ोन का है और आपको एन आईफोन, so I can't fly A2. How sad. But anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go home, get the right cable, and दूसरा इसको मैं कहीं अपने घर के पास ही उड़ा के उसका कंपैरिजन कर लूँगा. So this way is, but the thing is, whenever you go out, make sure you go all the cables, everything with you. Otherwise, it's just a waste of time. This is about a half an hour away from my house. I got a nice little field, and there's not many people here. So yeah, check this out. Just check करें, ज़बरदस्त लग रहा है. So yeah, अब घर जाके दूसरा उठाऊँगा, उसकी केबल उठा के तो फिर उसके मुताबिक कुछ करूँगा आगे. घर के पास कहीं वीडियो बना के तो कंपेयर करूँगा. The idea was that I'm going to fly both of them drones exactly the same place, so that I can get some sort of same nice shots. So that didn't work out.
Many hours later.
So at least मुझे 1 घंटा लगा इसके साथ कनेक्ट करते हुए, because I was actually playing with the wrong application. So it's DJI Fly. That's the app name. The other one, DJI Go 4. That doesn't work with this aircraft. So yeah, you're right. So let's see how it is. Drone up and I can't see the drone and it's not coming home. I don't know what's going on. So basically, I was actually so scared that I thought I lost it. But luckily, I saw it. So I'll bring it down because I had a few warnings on the airspace violation or something like that. But when I went down, I thought it's gone. Anyway, I got it back. And I think I'm not going to take no more risks now. So yeah, that's it. So this is what I have to say after watching the footages for both of the drones. दोनों drones ज़बरदस्त हैं. ये मेरा अपना analysis obviously after using both of the drones. कुछ video जो मैंने crop की हैं just to see the results. So the clear winner obviously when it comes to the quality as you would expect is Mavic Air 2. I mean there's a massive difference in Mavic Air 1 and 2. Let's talk about the differences first. So first of all, Mavic Air जो 1 है वो है जी 430 grams. Whereas Mavic Air 2 is 570 grams, slightly bigger. Secondly, जो sensor है Mavic Air 2 का वो double the size compared to the Mavic Air 1. उसके Mavic Air 2 का जो sensor है वो 1 से double है, which obviously takes a lot of the details which you've probably seen in the footage. उसके बाद जो Mavic Air 1 है वो 4K 30 frame per second पे record करता है video, that's the highest, and Mavic Air 2 does a 4K 60 frame per second. The biggest difference which I've noticed is the flight time. The Mavic Air 1 just got the official flight time and that's 21 minutes, but with me I don't think it ever goes to 25 minutes. First of all, you have to bring it down and take care of that includes as well. So the flight time you get is somewhere about 15 minutes roughly. That's what you get in Mavic Air 1. That's what I've been getting in Mavic Air 1. Whereas Mavic Air 2 is 34 minutes. Obviously that includes again taking it off and then bringing it back. The price was obviously Mavic Air 2 is slightly expensive here in the UK. The Mavic Air 2 flight mode combo is I think £949, whereas Mavic Air 1 is flight mode combo again is $749, something like that. Mavic Air 2 वो fly करने में बहुत ही आसान drone है compared to Mavic Air 1. For example, जो Mavic Air 2 है जब वो fly करे जब उसको left to right move करते हैं, that's very smooth. Even though आप अपनी से मतलब full speed में जा रहे हो वो still थोड़ा smooth होगा. And obviously 60 frames per second, so जब आप उसको slow down करते हैं you get very nice footage. Whereas in Mavic Air 1 the footage, I mean जब आप उसको left and right move करते हैं, the footage you know वो जो footage होती है वो you can't use that. It's horrible. I mean it's too quick. You can't use it. So when it comes to photography, Mavic Air 2 is there's a huge improvement. Mavic Air 2 जो है उसमें 48 megapixel camera, whereas in Mavic Air 1 it's only 12 megapixels. So a huge difference there as well. So my preference, I mean obviously I have to keep one of them, so I'm gonna go for obviously Mavic Air 2. The reason being it's easy to fly, the range. On Mavic Air 2, I mean on Mavic Air 1 जब मैं उड़ाता हूँ जब बहुत ऊपर जाता है तो वो खुद ही stop कर लेता है and then it says you can't fly more than, but I can still see it. आपने जैसे कि देखा है उस ब्लॉग के शुरू में कि Mavic Air 2 जब मैं उड़ा रहा था वो इतना ऊपर चला गया कि मुझे वो नज़र नहीं आ रहा था, तो वो वापस आते हुए उसने 5 से 7 मिनट एटलीस्ट नीचे आते हुए लगाए and I thought it was lost. इतना दूर चला गया. So you have to be a bit careful with Mavic Air 2. Obviously the range is a lot more than the Mavic Air 1. So let me know in the comment section below which one did you like, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys.